Welcome to Smiles and Sunshine. Today we'll be making a ring with just 2 fingers. Now, it won't be this color, but it'll be yellow and blue. So, you need 3 A-colored bands, as in yellow bands. You need 3 B-colored bands, as in blue bands. And you need 1 S-hook or a C-clip. Now meet Buddy, my unicorn pal. He'll help me do my work faster. And he'll also be a decor. Anyway, take 1 A-colored band now, stretch it, twist it, and then put it on 2 of your fingers. Now take a B-colored band, put it on a finger, stretch it, and put it on the other finger. Now watch closely. You need to take the A-colored band and move it on top of the B-colored band and let it go. Take the A-colored band, move it on top of the B-colored band and let go. Take an A-colored band again. And now, just do the same thing that you did. And now take a B-colored band. Buddy, help me. Okay, thanks a bunch, Buddy. Now, what we'll do is that at the bottom here, we'll take our C-clip or S-hook and we'll attach it. And here, up here, you can move this to 1 finger, bring the C-clip up, and then move this to the other finger, hold them up wide so that you can attach the C-clip. There you are. You're just about done. Whoa. It's most important not to get mixed up though. Buddy has 1 new horn topper. Nah. Bye-bye.